Hello everyone, welcome to Remote Sensing GISOM. Myself Santanu. Today we are going to learn how to create land use land cover map, that means level 1, level 2, LULC and level 3 from a satellite image. In this tutorial I am using Sentinel-2 data. Okay, so to create a land use land cover map different level, you have need to one satellite image and a Excel file that description describe the level 1, level 2 and level 3 classification and study area boundary. Okay, so at first we know how to create level 1, level 2 and level 3 map, level 3 description. Okay, so here is the Excel file that describe the level 1 class, that is level 1 in agriculture, built up, forest land, grazing land, water body and wasteland. So to create a land use land cover map different type of level, you have to create this type. At first you need to LULC code and LULC description. Okay, that is agriculture, built up, AG agriculture, built up, A for forest land, G are grazing land, W water body, WS wasteland. Then go to the level 2. Okay, level 2 describes the level 1. If you want to the agriculture is level 1, then level 2 is agriculture cropland, agriculture fallow land. Okay, so you need to create this type of your desired class, that is level 1, level 2 and level 3. Suppose it agriculture cropland, that the crop Rabi crop or crop Kharif. Okay, so you need to this type of Excel. So how to create LULC level 1, level 2, level 3 description. So go to my previous video that is already uploaded. What is land use land cover map, understanding level 1, level 2 and level 3 classes. In this tutorial I have already briefly discussed what is level 1, what is level 2 and level 3 classes. Okay, so at first you need to a satellite image to create land use land cover map. Here I am using Sentinel-2 10-meter spatial resolution. So after download the data, I have already extract and you need to a study area boundary. Okay, so at first we need to extract Sentinel data or add to band composite. So this is the extract Sentinel data. Go to your download folder where you put your satellite data. So after extract the data Sentinel-2, if you want to know how to download satellite data, I have already uploaded a video on the data download playlist. Go to there and seen it. Okay, so after download and extract the data, go to the granular, then go to the image data, then go to the R 10 meter, matlab spatial resolution 10 meter, then add the band 2, that means blue, green, red and infrared. In Sentinel-2, 2 is blue, 3 is green, 4 is red and 8 is near infrared. Okay, after add the band, here I am adding all visible bands in Sentinel-2 data, that is blue, green, red and infrared. after add the band, you need to composite the band. Okay, then go to search, go to band composite. Okay, here is the band composite tool in data management. Click here, so now composite band is open. So at first you need to add band one by one. As per band 2 added, then go to band 3, then band 4 and band 8 or infrared. After add the all visible band in Sentinel-2 data, go to the output raster. So layer, okay, then go to the output name, and after that you add the extension .img.tip, okay, and another option is available, save, then go to OK. So it will take 3 or 4 minutes to composite the band. After layer taking the image, you have remove whole band. Okay, here is a elastic image. Then go to the band 4 as a red, band 3 as a green and band 2 as a blue to false color composite. Okay, after completing layer stacking, you have to add the study area boundary. Here I want to create LULC level 1, level 2, level 3 map of Karnal city, Haryana. Okay, so after layer take the image, you have to clip the image. Okay, to run fastly or process fastly, always you have to start editing any shape file. After editing start editing each process fastly. Okay, then go to search and clip. Okay, then go to clip data management, not clip analysis, clip data management. After open the clip toolbar, at first you need the composite event here. Loading, just wait. Then output extend, that means the study area boundary. Okay, then check here, use the input feature for clip geometry optional, new data as a 0 and go to the output folder. Okay, so clip sentinel 2. Okay, then go to extension, always remember. Okay, so this process firstly, after clip the image, you remove layer stack image, again go to 4, 3 and 2. Okay, so after clip the image, your study area, you have to go to arc catalog and create a new file geo database. Okay, ULC label. Okay, after create the LULC label, then right click here, new feature dataset, LULC class. Okay, then go to next, select the coordinate system. Here I am using WGS 1984 UTM zone 43. Next, then go to the vertical coordinate system, that is WGS 84. Next, finish. Okay, after create the feature dataset, you have after create the feature dataset, okay, you have to create feature class. So right click on feature dataset, new, then go to feature class. Okay, here type LULC label or the feature class name. Okay, then go to polygon, next. So here is the field name and data type. So to create land use land cover map, created 3 different type of field name, level 1, level 2 and level 3. Okay, so type here level 1 text to 55, because the sometimes field name are too lengthy. Okay, so type here 255, then go to level 2 text to 55 and go to level 3 text to 55. Okay, so after creating the field name, go to the finish. Okay, so now feature class is ready. After create the feature class, you have to create a domain, that is the drop down box. Okay, that is the a pop-up box, that is level 1, level 2, level 3. If you want to that description, go to the Google and type here land use land cover classification level based on NRC and ISRO. Okay, after you can easily get here description 2 and class from LULC 50,000 mapping point, that is level 1 built up, level 2 urban rural and level 3 built up compact sparse etc. So in the comment section, in the description box I have put the link also. So after create the this type of Excel, that is level 1, level 2, level 3, you have to add the domain box. So here type table to domain. Okay, so type here, then go to the Excel file. Okay, LUL class. So already I have level 1, level 2, level 3. Use the LULC level 1, add. Okay, then go to the LULC code and LULC description field, LULC description, and input the workspace, means the geodatabase. Okay, so the LULC level, add here the domain name LULC code 1. Okay, just okay. So here is the LULC domain 1 complete process. Then go to the geodatabase, then go to properties, and domain. Here is the LULC code 1 domain name description, and here is the code and description. So the similar process you have to add another 2 domains. There is domain 1, domain 2 and domain 3. Again go to the Excel file, add level 2, here LULC code and LULC description, input workspace as a geodatabase. Here type the domain name, that is LULC code level 2, then OK. So again check it, properties level 2, that describe the level 2 classes. Okay, by the similar process we add the domain 3 also. Okay, so select, okay, level 3, add code description, that already has selected input workspace, type here domain 3. Okay, now complete all the process. Again check it, properties LULC 3, that describe the level 3 classes. After add complete table 2 domain, then go to feature class, properties, here add level 1, the domain name also level 1. Okay, level 2 the domain name level 2, level 3 the level 3, apply. Okay, then start edit, here edit feature, start editing. Okay, now we can check the attribute table. Here we can see the drop down box, that is level 1, level 2 and level 3. Okay, so after complete the process you have to add study area boundary or load study area boundary in the geodatabase, because to create land use land cover map always based, you have to use cart polygon, not create feature. So at first you have to load the study area boundary. Okay, next open, add, next, finish. Okay, so after added the study area boundary, you have to create land use land cover map. Then go to LULC level and edit feature, start editing. Okay. After start editing, you select the boundary and go to cut polygon. So to create land use land cover map, different type of level, one is the best process to buy the cut polygon. Okay. So at first we create a digitize a crop land. Okay. So select and go to here and cut polygon. Okay. After cut this, select the polygon and go to the attribute table. Okay, here is the attribute table. Then select the agriculture cropland. In this tutorial I have used the month of February, so here is the Rabi crop. Okay, then again go to here, select the cropland, again digitize the cropland, again go to cut polygon and so this is the fallow land. Okay. So select and go to agriculture fallow land and it's seasonal. Okay. So fallow land seasonal. Then again select outer, again go to the cut polygon. So to digitize image, you have to know the visual interpretation of the image. If you don't know the visual interpretation, you cannot digitize. So this is the cropland, this is road, this is build up, this is the water body. Okay. So again capture the or digitize the cropland, again go to select. Okay. Here and here, sorry, again this is all our cropland. Again select it, then go to agriculture level 1, level 2, agriculture cropland and crop Rabi. Again, so now if you want to digitize a water body, again select, go to cut polygon. So just click, okay, select it, go to water body, then go to lake pond. Okay, and that is only. So if you want to digitize a road, here is a national highway. So select, okay, suppose I have digitized some part, go to then select it. Okay, then build up, road. Okay, that is national highway. Okay, or again if you want to digitize a settlement, select, okay, go to cut polygon, again select okay. So select, that is build up level 2, build up R1, okay, and it is built up compact. So by this process you can digitize all the classes, okay. Here the attribute table. So now you can see that is the level 1, level 2, level 3, level 1, level 2 and level 3 classes, okay. So after complete the digitize, you have to see like this, okay. That's all. So then go to properties, categories, level 1, add all value, apply, okay, okay. That is agriculture, built up forestland, grassland, wasteland and water body. So agriculture can be in yellow, okay, and build up like red, okay. So that's it, level 1 classes. Again go to properties, level 2, add all value, apply, okay. That is level 2 classes, okay. Agriculture fallow land, here agriculture fallow land, built up industrial, built up rural, built up urban, okay. So by the process you can create level 1, level 2 and level 3 classes. Hope all you are like the video. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel and like, comment, share, so grow the channel. Thank you. Bye bye.